Hello friends! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and here's the fix for your AirPods won't connect to your iPhone or iPad device. I will show you 8 different solutions for your AirPods not connecting. So, let's see what to do. The first solution is to check for the latest version of the iOS update. It is one of the simple ways to solve the AirPods won't pair to your iPhone or iPad device by updating them. Go to Settings, click the General section, and tap on Software Update. If your device is not updated, click on Download and Install button. Then, wait a few moments to install the latest iOS version on your device. Also, you have to ensure that the firmware version of your AirPods and the case is up to date. Under the Bluetooth settings, we can check all earlier paired AirPods as history with some AirPods' details like the model's name, serial number, and firmware version. To check the firmware version, click on Bluetooth, tap the I button next to the AirPods name, and scroll down to the About section. Click on the version to see if the latest firmware version is available or not. That's it. If you found the old version, pair your AirPods to your iPhone to install the new updates automatically to AirPods. Now, let's see the second solution called Check the Charging Status. Make sure your charging box has enough power. If the battery status of your AirPods is lower than 20%, connection issues may easily happen. So, you need to plug the charging case for at least 30 minutes to direct the wall plug, and then you can try to pair it again. That's it. If the problem remains, follow the third solution, turn on Bluetooth. For that, go to the settings and turn off nearby Bluetooth devices that prevent you from automatically connecting your AirPods to old devices. Otherwise, forget your AirPods from other devices under the Bluetooth settings. Then try to pair it with your iPhone or iPad. To stay connected. Still, you are not connecting with the following solution. If you still can't connect, follow the fourth solution called Reset AirPods. Place your AirPods in their charging case and close the lid. Then, wait for 30 seconds. After that, open the lid of your charging case and put your AirPods in your ears. Then, on your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, and tap the I button next to your AirPods name. Then tap on Forget this device option. And it will show a pop-up to show a message that removing your AirPods from this device will remove it from all the devices on your iCloud account. Tap on the Forget Device option. Now put your AirPods in their charging case and keep the lid open. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light on the front of the case flashes amber, then white. If you won't reset, clean up the charging case and metal at the stem of the left and right AirPods. Also clean up the charging connector inside the charging case using earbuds. Gentle rolled into the holes on both the left and right charging cases. With your AirPods in their charging case and the lid open, place your AirPods close to your iPhone or iPad. Now your device will show your AirPods to connect. Tap on the Connect button. To pair your AirPods to iPhone, press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. Setup on screen. And this worked for me. I hope you also get fixed with this solution. Setup on-screen pop-up, finally tap on the Continue button. If this solution is not working for you, try to reset the network settings and try again. To reset network settings, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to General, and again scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Again tap on Reset option. Then tap on the Reset Network Settings option. Your iPhone will ask you to enter your iPhone lock screen passcode. If your device is restricted with screen time, then you have to enter a screen time passcode in this case. Once you have done it, try to connect your iPhone again. Sometimes restarting your phone can solve many problems. To reboot your iPhone or iPad device, follow the process displayed on the screen. For iPhone 8 or later, press and release the volume up and down and press the side buttons simultaneously until the iPhone reboots itself. Now you can try to connect AirPods again. The sixth solution is to make sure AirPods are selected as audio devices. When you play a song, tap on the AirPlay icon and select your AirPods from the list of devices. In case you receive a phone call and want to select an audio device, tap on the speaker to select your AirPods. If you want to switch between devices, tap on the speaker once and switch to the device by tapping on its name. That's it. Or you can also select an audio device using the control center. From the control center, you can access various controls. Each is controlled through a quick tap or by pressing and holding. Press the audio card at the top right corner. Now you can switch the audio output to available speakers, headphones, Apple TV, or another audio device. Here, I will select my AirPods as an audio output device. You can also check off boxes to play the same music across multiple speakers, and if audio is playing on nearby devices, you'll find a link to these devices below. If the problem persists, check out the 7th solution: remove the AirPods from their Apple ID. We all know that AirPods can be associated with one Apple ID. So if you want to use AirPods that someone else has used, they'll first need to remove them from their Apple ID. If you have turned on lost mode, it may not connect with your device if you use someone else's AirPods. So, you need to turn it off first. Just go to Find My App on your iPhone or iPad. And click on Devices, then select your AirPods, and you will see the lost mode is active. To turn it off, click on Activated and tap on Turn Off Lost Mode. Now it will again ask you to confirm the tap on Turn Off option. That's it. Now, the 8th solution is to ensure that your AirPods are not replaced with your friends or family's AirPods. It is connected to a different Bluetooth device in your house, like your iPad, MacBook or iPod, Apple TV and so on. Please find it and make sure it's disconnected. Now put your AirPods in a range of your device and try to reconnect again. If you face issues by connecting left or right side AirPods, you must first check your Apple warranty status. You can go to the website displayed on the screen. I am entering my AirPods serial number. If you don't know your AirPods serial number, click on the I button to know more. After entering the serial number, type the CAPTCHA code and click the Submit button. It will show your AirPods warranty status. So, if your coverage has yet to expire, you will get free service at the Apple Store or with authorized service providers. And, if your Apple warranty status is expired, you might get the best help by visiting Apple authorized service providers or paid repairs and services. You must book a Genius Bar appointment for the Apple Store. Click on the iCard to get the full video. They can help you diagnose better or set you up for warranty replacement, and you can easily replace your AirPods with an affordable replacement cost. Also, you can get estimate service by following the steps performed on the screen. First, select your service type from options like battery, lost item, or other damage. And choose your AirPods from the product or accessory list. Then select your AirPods model listed with its generations. Then click on the Get Estimate button. It will review potential costs. If additional damage is found in any part of your AirPods, you can get an estimate by paying a service fee. If you have a problem with AirPods won't connect to Mac, check the video description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to catch up and see more tips and tricks videos.